Hi everyone, I am Pavni. Welcome to the demo of my Salesforce CRM project. That is, my title is To Supply Leftover Food to Poor. This app aims to connect the donors with NGOs or volunteers who can collect and distribute leftover food to people in need. I built this using CRM with custom objects, flows, validations, and automation tools. Here, this is my project. Here, this is my project overview. And here is the Food Connect app. This is the venue form and this is the image that I have added. And here main important things, we have to create a custom objects. As I already created some custom objects, that is venues, drop off points, tasks, volunteers, execution details. These are the custom objects as I already created. Next, click on this gear icon and click on setup. Under object manager, search for venue. This is the custom object I have created. Next, search for task. This is the custom object. Search for drop off point. This is. Next, search for execution details. Here it is. Search for venue. This is the object. Go to home. In the quick find box, search for tab. Click on tabs. A tab let users access the objects via user interface. These are the tabs as I already created. These are the tabs. If you want to create a tab, then click on new. Here it is. Then you create a tab. Next, in the quick find box, search for app manager. Here it is. Just click on app manager. Here it is. As I already created app manager, that is Food Connect app. I'll show you. Just click on edit. Here it is. This is the app details. That is app name is Food Connect. And here is the image that I uploaded. Go to object manager. Here, search for objects. That is venue. Click on it. And click on fields and relationships. These are the fields as I already created. Field, it is a column in an object. It stores the single piece of data only. Next, search for volunteer. Here it is. Click on this. These are the objects as I already created. And search for drop off points. Here it is. Search for execution details. Here it is. Click on this. These are the objects I created under execution details. Next, search for task. This is the custom object. Here it is. These are the objects I created under task object. Next, go to home. Under quick find box, search for flows. Click on this. Flow is a visual representation automation tool. In this flows automatically assigns a nearby volunteer when a new food donation is added. It sends SMS or email notifications to the users when the delivery is successful or failed. If you want to create a new flow, here click on new flow and then create. As I already created, that is venue form. Here it is. These are the details. A form should be like this: venue name, email, phone, location, latitude, and longitude. Next, I have created record, name called as venue record. These are the records I have already created. Next, click on this gear icon and click on developer console. Here it is. This is a one trigger as I already created, which executes the Apex code and it runs automatically, which helps to check for expiry and auto archive all donations. If you want to create this trigger, just click on File and click on New and click on Apex trigger. Just you enter the name and object, then click on Submit and you write the Apex code and save and then run. Next, go to home page. Under quick find box, search for profiles. Click on profiles. Profiles which helps controls what users can do and access, like donors. Those are create and view, and volunteer which accepts the assigned donations, and for admins having full right for everything. Next, as I already created one profile, that is NGOs profile. Here it is. Next, under quick find box, search for users. Click on this. These are the users, that is Iksha Foundation, NSS, and Street Cards. These are I already created under NGOs profile. Next, users, it is nothing but who use the app. Then under quick find box, search for public groups. Then click on public groups. These are the groups as I already created. If you want to create, just click on new and then create. Public groups, it is nothing but a collection of users, roles, and other groups. Next, under quick find box, search for report types. Report types means it defines the structure of report, how it should like this. Just click on continue. Next, if you want to create, just click on new custom report type as I already created, that is venue with drop off with volunteer. Here it is. Just observe this. Next, Click on App Launcher, search for Food Connect. Here, just click on Reports, which is used for data visualization from objects. Under Reports, we observe that show food wastages, donations, performance, how it look like this. Next, these are the two reports as I created. One is volunteer task and venue and drop off point. Next, click on dashboards. Dashboards visualizes summarizes of report. Under this, I created this dashboard task execution details. Here it is. This is my dashboard. Here, that image I already added, and just observe these venue name, drop off points, and distances, and volunteer task. This is I already show you volunteer task in previously. Next, click on this gear symbol and click on setup. Under search for sharing settings. Here it is. Just click on this. Next, scroll down. Here it is under drop off point sharing rules as I already created these three. Sharing settings means which defines record level access from the group or roles. Next, in the quick find box, search for Lightning app. Lightning app builder. Click on this. Lightning app builder. It is a packaged set of tabs, objects, and pages. As I already created one Lightning app, that is homepage. Here it is. Just click on edit. Okay, this is the app builder as I already created. Here it is. It is the dashboard. I will show you next. And this is the venue form for filling our details. Next. Next, go to the sample launcher. Just click on Food Connect. So this is my final output for my project. Just fill the form and just click on next. It is automatically saved and it visualizes your data here. It is in the form of graph. Finally, I conclude that this project is built with a simple but powerful goal to make sure that no good food goes to waste while people nearby go hungry. By using Salesforce, I created a system that concerns donors with NGOs in real time. So leftover food can be picked up quickly and delivered to those who need it. It helps reduce food wastages, supports community efforts, and brings timely helps to the poor people. I believe that technology should solve a real world problems, and this app is one step towards making that happen. Thank you.